welcome to our class today. And today we will be talking about converting mixed fractions to improper fraction. So a mixed fraction is a fraction that has a whole number part and a proper fraction part. So to convert this, I will say this looks like an A B over C. So to convert this is what you will do. This now becomes A times C plus B all over C. So for the one whole number 2 over 3 example, we are going to do this. One times 3 plus 2 all over 3. 1 times 3 is 3 plus 2 is 5. So my answer is 5 over what? 3. For other videos on fraction, please check the description so that you can watch them. And I actually implore you to watch this other video that changes what? That changes improper fraction to mixed fraction. Thank you.